Hey everyone! Are you looking to buy the best Hot Wheels tracks? Well, you're in the right place. In today's video, we're going to take a look at the top 5 best Hot Wheels tracks available on the market right now. If you're interested in the price or more detailed information about the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. Now, let's get started. Starting at Hot Wheels Super Speed Blastway track set. Less expensive doesn't necessarily mean less fun. You can still race cars side by side, and the scoring system adds another element of excitement as flags shoot up in the air as the cars pass by. Another positive of this set is that it is entirely kid-powered, so you don't have to worry about stocking up on batteries. Like most Hot Wheels tracks, not all cars are going to work, but part of the fun is seeing which cars are fast, which are slow, and which ones won't work at all. This set doesn't take up as much space as others and is relatively simple to assemble. Now our second product is Hot Wheels Toy Car Track Set Colossal Crash. According to Hot Wheels, this is the biggest motorized track it has ever sold. It takes up 5 feet by 3 feet of floor space. We're inclined to believe them. This is also a fast-track dual-power booster that shoots cars around the figure-8 track. There are also jumps, and the center section has crash areas to keep things interesting. Those big booster motors do require a lot of juice, so you'll need to have fresh batteries on hand all the time to keep this thing going. The set includes 2 cars, and for the price, it should. Our third product is Hot Wheels Corkscrew Crash Track Set and Car. If your Hot Wheels fan likes crashes, this is a good set for them. Cars are catapulted onto the track where they either avoid other cars in the 3 loops or collide and send both cars flying. The motorized center section will keep cars looping away almost indefinitely. So you can call this kinetic art if you would like. We like that there are even spots on the track to store cars not in use. This track is on the higher end of the price scale, but some of that may be blamed on it being an Amazon exclusive. That said, this kit can be added to another track, but it might be difficult to keep a continuous circuit going since the triple loop returns on itself. Now number 4, Hot Wheels Car and Mega Track Pack. This is a package of 40 feet of Hot Wheels track, letting your kids go old school and build tracks down the stairs and around the furniture in whatever way their imagination takes them. The newer style locking mechanism is easier to use and more secure than the version I had as a kid, so you won't have to worry about the strips coming apart after just a few runs. Obviously, besides racing cars, this set will also incite sword fights and drum solos, so the fun will never end. And our last choice is Hot Wheels Super Speed Blastway Track Set. This is another affordable yet thrilling option. Similar to our first pick, this set allows for side-by-side racing with a fun scoring system that shoots up flags when cars cross the finish line. Entirely powered by the racers themselves, there's no need for batteries, making it a budget-friendly and eco-conscious choice. As with other Hot Wheels tracks, not all cars may work on this set, but experimenting with different cars adds to the fun. The setup is easy, and it doesn't take up too much space, making it ideal for smaller play areas. So, what did you think of our video? If you found this helpful in making your decision easier, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to be notified when we release our next video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.